So let's say I have this pentagon looking shape here. You're going to be doing one like that on the homework. So a pentagon is a 5-sided polygon from geometry. So a pentagon is going to have 5 vertices in it, as you know. So it's a pentagon with a star inside, basically. Once I connect all these line segments, it's going to become a star, basically. So something like that. So let's label the 5 vertices, these points here: A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so these have weights on them. So this has a weight of 5. This one has a weight of 11. This one has a weight of 9. This one has a weight of 17. This entire thing. This one has a weight of 15. This one has a weight of 10. This one is 14. This one is 8. 13. 7. And I think that's everything. 9, 15, 8, 10. I think I got them all. Okay, so we can start at any vertex we want. So let's start at vertex A, for instance. So in the homework, I tell you to start at a vertex. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually copy this picture right now. So I'm going to be marking it up. Let's copy that and throw it down here. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're going to start at vertex A, and then we're going to use this method, okay? So I'm starting at vertex A. So what does the algorithm say to do? So it says to choose the smallest weight from that edge, right? From that vertex. So where am I going to go? Where can I go? I can go to B, that has a weight of 5. 14 is too big. 17 is too big. 10 is too big. So it looks like, so this is how you do it. You start with A. Where do I go after that? B. AB. Once I do that, I'm going to put a slash on it so I know that that's the one that I selected. Also, we have to make sure that 3 edges do not go into any vertex. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So you can only have 2. You can't have 3 edges going into any vertex. We have to get to all the vertices once, right? And return back to the same vertex. Once we've hit all the vertices, then we're allowed to go back to the one that we started with. We have no choice. So that makes it easy because there's not that many vertices to begin with. There's only 5 or sometimes 6. All right, so let's go back to the problem. Okay, so AB, right? So where am I at now? I'm at B. What other edge can I pick from B? Well, I could go from B to D. I could go from B to E. But if I go from B to C, it's 11. If I go from B to E, it's 15. If I go from B to D, it's only 9. So I want the smallest. So I'm going to go from B to D. That's the smallest one. So 15, 9, and 11 are your options. You can't go back to A. You've already visited that. You have to hit all the vertices first and then come back to that one. That's your starting vertex. Started at A. Okay, so I go from B to D. What's the next smallest edge I can do? So I could do C. I haven't visited C. I haven't visited E. I can't go back to A yet. So once I select it, I have to also put a mark on it. So I forgot to put a mark on that, BD. We've got that one already. So how many edges do I have going in right now? So I only have two edges going into B. This one and this one. I'm still okay. Only one going into A. That's why you want to make sure you mark this up so you can see. Okay, so where am I at? I'm at D, right? BD. I could go to C, I could go to E. Looks like C is better. 7 is smaller than 13. So you're going to go from D to C. So D to C is the best route. Okay? D to C. Okay, so I'm almost done. I have A, B, C, D. So the only one I haven't visited is E, right? I don't have any other choice. Hamilton circuit means you can only visit everything once. You can't go more than once. So I'm at C, so I'm going to go to E. So that's going to be CE. Let me see if I'm okay or not. So how many edges do I have going into A right now? Just one, right? B has 2 edges going into it from here to here, the ones that I marked. C only has 2, right? These 2 going in. How about D? So D has 1, 2. It has 2 going in, right? From here to here. So I don't have 3, I only have 2. How about E? So E has 1, only 1 so far. Okay, so where am I at? I'm at E right now. So I don't have a choice. I've already visited all the vertices. You have B, C, D, E. This is our starting vertex. I must close the circuit. So I have to go back to A. So that would be EA. So I have how many going in? So I have 1, 2 going into E. I only have 2 going into all of them. We checked it already. So your circuit, this is a Hamilton circuit. So it's going to be all this stuff here, actually. So your answer is going to be like this: A, B, D, C, E, A. A, B, I didn't write it right. So A, B, D, C, E, A. That's how you do it. Let's try another one. Any questions about that?